Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1955 Royal Quiet De Luxe vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Very beautiful glossy green factory paint. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. I'm going to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the paper, and this is the paper support arm that flips up from the back. And this is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got two adjustable rollers and a scale. And this has magic margins on each side. If you want the left margin right there, you just put the cursor where you want the margin and flip the switch. It'll magically send the margin to that spot. If you want it closer to the edge, you just push it down and push the carriage. And I want it right there on the edge, and then just let it go, and it sends it to that spot. If you want it closer on the right side, if you want it closer to the middle, you just push the button on the right side, and it sends the magic margin magically to that spot. If you want it closer to the edge, you hold the carriage release behind the knob and push the magic margin at the same time. Set it right there. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, just flip that switch forward. Skips 2, one more, it skips 3. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line and switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side here. Flip that all the way to the left to the red indicator. It prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. When you have it in the middle, it prints the top portion of the ribbon, which is black. When you have it all the way to the right, it doesn't print any ink at all. It just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. We're going to move that over for red. Beautiful typing machine. Very comfortable and fun and easy to type on. I did misspell one of the words, and that's just how it goes when you use a typewriter. Print looks really good. This has a unique typeface. It's called Pica book face. The book face is unique to these Royal portables of this era, and Pica is traditional 10 characters per inch. This also comes in Elite, which prints 12 characters per inch like most typewriters do. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. Flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy. Or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. I'm going to flip this down for now. Put the color back on black, shift on each side, shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Got a backspace on the left. Very good. Tab on the right. This is as a manual tab set. You just flip this panel down. You can access these tabs 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70, and you can just push them down and move them to where you want them. There's a scale to tell you exactly where they are, and you just hit the tab button. It stops at each one of those. Very good. Margin release on the right side here. You get to the end of the margin, it blocks you from printing. Hit that margin release button. It does allow you to go all the way to the end. Very good. Open the hood by this button right here. All the brand new ribbons loaded on the left, so it's pulling clockwise to the right. Actually, it's not. There we go. That's the direction we want it to go. Flip it to the left, you pull to the left. You want it to go to the right, and the touch controls right in front of that. Just move it to the front a little tiny bit, and then you can access a higher tension, which you do have to hit the keys a little harder for them to print, but they respond faster. So people who are really fast typers might want to play with that to see what they enjoy, but this is really fast on low already, so that's how I like it. Carriage release on each side, very good. And this is actually a 3D printed knob because these things break off all the time. So if you need a new knob, they don't make them anymore, check my shop. I sell these, and it's really close to the original color and design. This is an original on the left side. You can't even tell the difference unless you really look at them. If you push in the button there, it disables the spacing when you turn the knob, so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You let it go, you get the clicks. Each one of those clicks is one space, and the same concept with this lever on the very top, white cap. Flip it forward, and it disables the spacing. You flip it back, and you get the clicks. And there is a page gauge on this model that just warns you on the inside there. You want to set it right there, and it'll warn you when you're getting close to the bottom of the page. As you're feeding the paper through, I believe, I don't know exactly what that is in inches or whatnot, or just spaces. I'm used to the Smith Coronas that actually have inches that warn you, so that's what that's for. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.